You want to know what's better than one of these? Do 'em! Hey guys, welcome back to techgooch for another video review, and this is on the Flexson Sonos Play 1 mount. This allows you to mount your Play 1 speakers on the wall, and in my case, I have two of them for my surround sound in my living room. So I have two Play 1s for surround sound for my Playbar, and I wanted to get them up on the mount. Flexson was willing to send me over these to show you guys to mount them up and see what I thought of them. And to be honest, in short, they're pretty awesome. So I do have a full setup video, which I will put a link down in the description if you want to check these out. I do have one for the Sonos one as well. So these are for the Play ones, not the Sonos one, because the Sonos one doesn't have the mount, the screw mount like these do. That's why these boxes are so small, because there's just a wall mount with a screw that actually mounts in the back of it. Whereas the Sonos one doesn't have that, so it's a much bigger box that has to hold on to the bottom of the speaker. We'll have, you know what, I'll throw a link in the description down there for that as well, so you can take a peek at that too. But yeah, well, I'm gonna go up. We're gonna head upstairs real quick. I'm gonna show you what these look like on the wall. I do have one mounted on a flat wall, one mounted in a corner, so two different purposes on that as well. So let's head up and take a peek at those. So this is what the speaker looks like when it's on the wall. As you can see, I don't have any power set up for it up here, kind of, so I don't have cords hanging down the wall currently. That's something I'm going to do in the future. However, it does allow you, like I said, that 40 degree to either side, so 80 degrees of total movement side to side. It does have that 15 degree angle that you can actually do. If you actually loosen this screw up right here, you can change the angle, then tighten it back up and hold it. So I don't have it actually at the full 15 degrees. I have it probably around 10 degree tilt down currently. And that's so it's actually pointing more at the audience hearing level. And then at any time, if you want to, take the speaker off the wall, all you gotta do is lift, and it just disconnects real quick and easily. So you put the one piece on the speaker and then the one piece on the wall. And I have that in my installation video if you watch that. And then just to slide it back into place, and then tilt it wherever you want to go. Simple as that. Very easy mount. Very nice. This is just to prove a point real quick. This is it mounted in the corner. Now, of course, side to side, I don't have near as much motion because it's in a corner. But basically, you mount it on one wall, and then it allows you to face it out of the corner. I also have that wood grain piece. I don't know if you've watched that review video I did a while back on these guys, but it does actually work with that still in place. Now that it's not on a wooden table, it looks a little different, but I decided to keep it on there. My wife's like, no, keep it on. Okay. So, there it is. So, that is the Sonos Play 1 mounts from Flexson. Now, I do want to personally thank Flexson for sending these over to me, because these are pretty awesome. They do offer them in black and white, depending on the color of speaker you have. They hold on to the speaker very, very well. They're very easy to mount, so long as you can figure out how to find a stud if you have a drywall wall, or as long as you have a drill to drill into the concrete. Definitely check out the setup video, because I do that whole procedure there. But yeah, pretty awesome. Works really well. Allows good range of motion. That full 80 degree side to side, as well as a 15 degree down angle. And I like them. I like them a lot. And to be honest, I used to have the speakers on the end table. I had them there for a long time, where surround sound off the end table were fine. But actually, now that they're up on the wall, I can actually hear more out of my speakers. It's more noticeable when things are coming out behind me, which is awesome. That's why you want the rear speakers to begin with, and this basically makes your setup that you already spent a lot of money on to begin with, makes it better, and it's not substantially more expensive to do it. So highly recommend it. If you don't have this, if you don't have walls behind you, they do make stands as well. So definitely check out Flexson's website, because they have a lot of mounts, not just for these Sonos speakers, but for a plethora of others. So check those guys out. They're pretty awesome, and I can't wait to do more videos in the future. Maybe more on Flexson as well. We'll see. But that said, guys, if you have any other questions or comments, post those below. Subscribe to the channel and share this video if you don't mind. Like the video as well, and we'll catch you here for a future video review. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.